y'all. Today I am making a very interesting pie. I've got a bag of Ridges potato chips. You want to get the kind that has the ridges on them. And 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Go ahead and get the rest of that out. A 1/4 cup or 1/2 stick of melted butter. This looks so good already. 2 eggs. That one didn't want to crack. And a cup of whole milk. That's right in there as well. And then we're going to give this a really good mix. You want to make sure you get all that sweetened condensed milk, those eggs, all mixed in. High 10. I'm going to put in 1/2. And spread that around. On there, we're going to take a bag of these dark chocolate chips. They'll go right on top. So good. And we're going to put the other layer right on top. And pour that liquid. Push that down some more. Good. And we're taking a second bag. 1 more bag of these dark chocolate chips goes right on top. And that gets spread around. And now this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Gonna top that with some caramel syrup. This is actually called a PMS pie, but I think, you know, anybody who likes salty sweet is gonna love this dessert. I'm gonna go the other way as well. Never have too much caramel and chocolate. And give this a slice. It's gonna be ooey, gooey, salty goodness. Here. Get all that potato chip goodness. And take this potato chip part. Hop. So, there's a lot of chocolate.